What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Ride the Six Motorcycle channel. In the last video you saw I ordered another set of R6 forks for the front end. Anyways guys, this is the box. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got. Alright, I've been dying to open this thing up, guys. Got some nice packaged really well, guys, for sure. Just some little bubble mailers and whatnot. This one's got some stuff in it. Let's see what we got. Bam! So there we go. We have the, I guess this is going to be, yeah, so this is the clutch lever, guys. You can see it's got a nice set. So it's the perch included with the ASV lever and everything. So I'm going to need that kind of stuff anyways because my levers are kind of messed up on the FZ6R. Whether I keep the gold levers or not, I'm not sure. But there is reasons why I got these levers. So let's put that aside. Let's find out what else we got. Oh, we're getting down into the dirty. Alright guys, so there we go. This is the front brake master cylinder for an R6 with the reservoir tank and the other matching gold ASV lever. So that's the reason why I purchased the other lever, because I was buying this master brake cylinder that already had the ASV lever. So I said, okay, well, I'll just buy the other lever anyways. Pretty cool. There's a lot of packaging around here. So there we go, guys. Matching levers, clutch, and brake for the R6. Woo! There we go, guys. First look at the gold. Wow, wow. These are in super good condition. I did see a couple scratches on it before I did the purchase, but that's okay, guys. It's a used set of forks. I don't need them to be perfect. I just need them to work. Let's get this other one open. Okay, there's our second little gold prize. Wow, and there we go, guys. Wow, these are in really good shape. There's just a couple marks there where they were mounted on the triple trees. One little tiny scratch there. All the adjusters look pretty good. Looks like they've barely been used, the adjusters. Well, I hear there's still some oil in them though. Yeah, the bottom tubes look to be in good condition. And all the mounting points and everything look to be really good condition. Actually, even the seals themselves, guys, like, the seals might be okay, but I'm probably going to do a rebuild. I'm probably going to replace the seals and stuff in the forks. Okay, and here's a look at our second one. Again, the top adjuster is very clean. Probably hasn't been used much. Same thing, bottom tube's very clean. These dust seals, they do have a couple little cracks in the dust seals. So again, that'll be resolved once I get the seal kit in, and we'll be doing the set of seals and forks. But yeah, there you go, guys. That's what we got coming on the FZ6R. Nice set of gold forks. Initially I was going to go black, but for the amount of money that I could pay for this set, I couldn't repair the other set for the same price because I had to buy the whole bottom stanchion. So that's why I chose to go this route. And these are in pristine condition. Alright, so not only do we have one package, we actually have another package. This is the package that's kind of really been holding the build up. It took me a little while to decide what I wanted to do, and then I had to send it out, and then it had to be built, constructed, and now it's been sent back. So let's open this up, guys. Let's see what we got here in this package. You're probably wondering, man, what's taking this guy so long? How come this is taking so long? Well, this is what happens, guys, when you do custom stuff, and you're not just basically buying parts that come built for the bike. So this parcel is coming in from the UK, from Moto-CNC. I'll put a little thing up on the screen so you can see their website, and I'll also provide all the links to the stuff as well. They did not have one of these already pre-built, so I sent my R6 top yoke over to the UK, and they had something custom built for it, and now they've sent it back. So I have not opened this yet, so you're seeing this for the first time the same way that I am. Kapow! Wow. Wow, look at this, guys. So I guess for those that maybe don't really know what you're looking at here, I'll try to kind of explain. So this is the 2005 R6 top triple tree. Now, I didn't really want to use clip-ons with this build, so I sent this to the UK so that Moto-CNC could fab something or see if they had something in stock that would actually let me use the standard FZ6R handlebars on this build. So this is what they have, guys, and this is what they've created. So there's a separate piece that bolts on directly to the R6 top yoke and has risers machined right into the piece with 22mm bar clips, so you can use your standard FZ6R bars. So this is what we've been waiting on, guys. Now that I have this piece, we are going to go through and we're going to try to get the forks on the bike and everything. We're going to try to get the front end knocked out 100% completed. But I gotta say, this looks amazing. And they've even stamped, hopefully you can see it, they've even stamped their little logo right in the top piece here. Lighting may be a bit tricky, but I'll get you a shot later on if you can't see that. But yeah, guys, really, really cool. Again, custom made. So now that they have this template, if you want this piece, I'm pretty sure you can find this on their website. I will try to find the links for you, and I will post it in the description of this video. But yeah, super, super cool, guys. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get this on the bike and get the forks mounted. So we have everything we need, guys, to put the front end of the R6 conversion on the FZ6R now. We have our bottom triple tree there. It already has the right bearing and flange and all that stuff. I've done the steering stem conversion so that it fits the R6 top triple tree as well. I have repainted the top 6 triple tree with a high heat enamel paint from Canadian Tire, so it looks brand new. I'm not sure if you remember, but there was a couple scratches and scuffs and stuff on it. So that is brand new. Down here we have the this is the new top yoke conversion kit to give us Street Fighter bars essentially on an R6, custom built. And of course we have these babies. We have the gold 2008 R6 forks. Seals and dust seals have all been done. I just paid a local shop 2 hours labor to do the forks. And we have a proper, this is like a adjustable spanner wrench. You're going to see that in the next video, but we're going to be torquing on, I guess, the top nut underneath the R6 stem here. We're going to have that torqued properly to R6 specs. So yeah, guys, we're essentially ready to go. Make sure you subscribe if you are not already subscribed. You do not want to miss this next video. All these parts are going on the bike, and this will be the first ever documented R6 conversion for an FZ6R. Alright guys, hit that thumbs up button, and we will see you on the next video.